pang basapol, nanahang sa basapol.
Hi, good morning. Romeo Ucaban from RLD Motors. Pabalik na kami on our way to Iloilo na after joining the Rome Fest in Bukidnon, in Dahilayan, Manolo Fortis, right? That's the right, the exact address, Dahilayan. So we were there. I think the schedule was actually Friday to Sunday. However, nag-abot kami to daw pala Friday madaling araw because we were stranded sa Dumaguete for 2 nights. Cancel ang trips because of the bad weather. So we stayed 2 days, 2 nights in Dumaguete. But don't worry, we also enjoyed in Dumaguete. That's part of the journey. There are times na the plan hindi masunod. As long as you're flexible, you can still enjoy the moment. So enjoy kami to 2 days. Like the food, the place, and some of our how is this? Some of our friends, it was the first time that they visit Dumaguete. So we took advantage that 2 days na walang trip. So we just stayed there. Nag-enjoy, nag-camping ang mga friends namon sa 2 different places. So they started the camping in Dumaguete, then proceeded to Bukidnon. So walang nasayang na oras. Everybody still enjoyed. But of course, kami naman yan, nag-enjoy naman kami sa food and relaxation dito sa hotel. We also went out, katuto sa mga places nga hindi naman nakatuan before. So, luckily, nakaproceed kami sa Mindanao Friday afternoon kami nakabot sa sa Dapitan. That I think that was around 3 p.m. But wow, the experience we had in that trip, grabe ang balut. First time na everybody, most of the passengers bumigay. Even myself, first time na nakasakay ako sa Roro na bumigay. When I say bumigay, malam mo na, no? So, grabe. For more than 2.5 hours, grabe ang galaw sa paskat, kinalampos ka, grabe. So, that was an experience na, I said, no, hindi na ako magliwat. Pero, oh my God, after na nakaabot sa Dapitan, when we already started driving, going to Bukidnon, nawala ang because we were looking forward sa activity dito sa campsite. So we traveled 8 hours the Wayman Japon ginakapoy despite nga the experience we had sa Roro. So abot kami sa campsite 2:30 na. Mind you, after a few minutes nagpahuway, wala gani 2 hours sa aga. Nagbalangon ng mga upod ko kay they want to set up the is this the camping gears. So why gani 2 hours ang tulog namon? Bangon na naman. Daw wala lang kapoy. Kaya enjoy gid yang tanan sa prepare sang camping gears ka ginbalon namon. So some of us mga brand new nga RTT, first time nga gamiton. So that adds to the excitement. So So, that was Saturday. Groggy ka pa, pero enjoy pa rin. And wow, the place, sobra pa sa Baguio. Walang aircon, pero ginakurog ang tanan. Tugnaw, very cold. The weather is really good. So daw shall I say, better sa compare sa Baguio. Mas malamig. Itandugon mo ganito tubig daw, may ice eh. Wisik-wisik na kay makurog ka kung di paligo mo dayon. So that was Saturday. We joined the event Saturday afternoon, and then there was dinner, community dinner sa group sa venue. So you can meet a lot of friends. So nawala lang ang kapoy nadula na to ya ang daw wala ka nakabatyag kapoy. So sige ka lang libot-libot, talk to some friends, talk to the new friends, naka-meet ka sa mga bago nga friends. So imagine, no, there were how many participants to join? They said more than 180 participants and more than 100, I think if I remember right, 160 plus na rigs sasakyan. Of course, the participant I think is more than that. Kaya some of the participants there, both, no, driver with companion. So 2 participants, 1 rig. So damo ako participants. So that was the first time I joined second time I joined the Room Fest. First was in Negros. That was also an experience. First sa Negros sa may Talisay. But this Bukidnon is one of the best. One of the best camping na naitrahan naman. So that's ang experience when you do camping is a combination of overlanding, traveling, driving, no, and going to places na wala mo pa makatuan before. So aside from new places na makatuan mo, people that you meet, and the food that you eat, the food prepare sa mga upod mo. So though iba. Sometimes na-try mo man na sa i-order from a restaurant, pero pag food nga prepare sa friend mo, iba ang lasa, naganhamit na gid siya. I don't know why. So, basta na-enjoy mo bisan gathering sa mga friends, no? They enjoy. So 2 days, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. That was the day na some of the participants already left. Pero kami, we stayed pa sa sa campsite until Monday morning. Subong? Tuesday na, no? You see? Lipatan ko ng adlaw. I don't mind the day. Basta nag-enjoy lang ko Japon. Bisan na wala kami tulog. Tama, no? Why kita tulog kay from Cagayan, we passed by Marawi. Imagine, kasama food pa ang Marawi sa amon itinerary. So that's part of the journey. Visiting places while doing the overlanding. So we passed by Marawi. Nakita ko lang ng Marawi sa news. Nakita ko lang ng place sa TV. So yesterday we were there. Actual nakita namin paano. So ma-recall mo how people suffer, no, during that Marawi siege, Marawi siege. Grabe din. We know that marami damo to mga casualty, no? So our brothers, damo to na our soldiers. But anyway, the place is peaceful now. Actually, yung mga local dito, in-encourage nila tourism. So, we left Marawi late na. And then, just passed by a restaurant, took our dinner, quick, and then traveled straight to Dipulog and Dapitan. So, we left Dapitan 2 a.m. this morning, early morning, and then we arrived Dumaguete around 6 a.m. Then, quick breakfast, and here we are driving back to Iloilo. So, wala. What time is it now? It's 12 noon. 12 noon na, alas 12 na. Daway pa ko nagutom ako. Sa balay, gutom na ko ni 12 o'clock. Pero daway pa ko batyak. May saging, mandikli mo. I have banana, fruits. So, anyway, bisan late ang lunch, hindi ka masyado maggutom kay I took some fruits and so wala ka po, I still drive going to Bacolod, and then we will be taking the 3 o'clock, the 3 p.m. trip from Banago to Dumangas. So the event is really something that shall I say consider ko na memorable one, kay despite those cancellation of trips, bad weather, yet na-enjoy pa rin, na-enjoy pa Japon ng isang grupo, particularly myself, enjoy ko Japon. So I'm looking forward for another camping, this time bisan sa local na lang, in Iloilo, in Panay. There are some good spots there. Maybe I will invite my brothers, friends, new friends to join and experience the overlanding camping in Iloilo. So they said damo mga nice spots in Iloilo na hindi pa natin na katuan. So but some of course naka-camping na dito and na-experience na nila the place, so they are encouraging some or us to also do the camping there. So maybe very soon, next month, the latest maybe July, August, maybe September or end or mid of August, let's do camping again, no? Said?
Yes.
Pamparelax. So guys, overlanding camping is really a venue where you can enjoy even at this age, because it's a combination of travel, driving the cars that you build. So what else ano pang hanapin mo, diba? So do overlanding, stay overnight there, do camping, and enjoy the camaraderie, friends with you, your family, and that's it. One weekend is I think it's okay. Friday, Saturday, 2 nights, then Sunday balik, back to work. Then you are highly energized, relax. So that's it. We're almost near Kabangkalan, 12 o'clock, 12:05. Pero daway pa tayo nakapuyaw. So guys, if you're thinking of say going places, you do overlanding. Utilize your cars, pickups, SUVs. No need. It doesn't require it should be 4x4. Bisan 4x2 lang pwede. There are a lot of gears that you can gamit that you can use para sa overlanding. I want to to say thank you to our friends, Adjo, for encouraging us or guiding us on our journey from Iloilo to Bukidnon. And until now, he is still with us, just leading the group. Radyo is the good, he's a good, how is this, how do they call it? Lead car, no? He's leading us, the convoy. So, hindi ka makulbaan kay si Adyo is leading the group. Even guiding us where to pass, very slow down, nag-radyo na siya. Mapisan, very active, and he keeps on reminding us using the radio. So his group, Born to Roam, Alex, and the rest at Born to Roam, thank you guys. We enjoyed the event, and congratulations. You made it one of the best event we had, Roam Fest in Bukidnon. So guys, thank you so much. See you next time.